Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night from whatever part of the world you guys are watching. This is Ricky. Welcome to another tutorial of Streamlabs Obs. Before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to give us a huge like on the video, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell button so you can get notifications when we go live or when we actually upload another tutorial. So let's do this. We're gonna go to the settings, audio settings tab. In this case, these things they actually work for YouTube, Twitch, Mixer, and some other streaming applications. So here we go. On our desktop audio device 1, what we're gonna choose is just gonna go to default. Okay. On desktop audio service 2, I have it as disabled. So I don't want anything else to actually get audio from. So I just have it at disabled. For my mics, I'm actually using the Astro um, Mix Amp Pros. So I got my mic connected, and it's actually going to this one, to the primary aux device 1. The second mic that I actually sometimes I use with either if I'm playing with another person or Celine or Waffle Gamer, I'm actually using a second set of headphones and with the mic as well. This will be the Astro Mix Amp Pro Voice as well. So I put it as the default um, as the second auxiliary and mic device. So if you guys are using your for example, your another headset or mic from your camera, you guys can actually select it from here. So in this case, my camera is not showing up right here, but it's showing that I'm actually using these two mics right here. So there we go. And on the third mic, I don't have any other third line, so I don't have to worry about it. So this is the audio tab, the audio setting um, for the Streamlabs OBS. See you guys on the next video. Don't forget, if you guys need some help with some other things on Streamlabs, comment below, subscribe to our channel, follow us if you guys are watching on Twitch or Mixer, and give us a huge like on the video as well. Alright, but see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.